Hello and welcome to Blackpool from Upside Down Head Travels. I'm down on Central Promenade today, down by where they are putting Odyssey. So those who come down for the illuminations will have seen this for the last few years down on the comedy carpet. This year they've moved it a bit further down. They've moved it down by Central Pier. So I've been told that they're going to actually extend where they put in some of the bits for the illuminations this year. So Odyssey's down by Central Pier, so probably a good half a mile, maybe quarter of a mile from where it usually is to the south. And there is talk of they're going to put the light tunnel a bit further south, even more so. But today I'm actually going to go along and have a go at the £1 burger. The famous, in fact now probably world famous, £1 burger. So just 2 streets back from the promenade, across from Central Pier, Chris Angham, I think it is, burger place. So I'm going to walk over there now, go and get myself a cheeseburger and a plain burger, give them both a go, so you can listen to my opinion of both, and we'll take it from there. So I'm going to walk over there now. So after you come out of Central Pier, straight across to the lights, down Chapel Street, so you've got Happy Days Arcade, and you've got the Donut and Tower gift shop. So if you split between those two, go down Chapel Street to the Stanley pub, just throw a right there, so just 2 streets back from the promenade, throw a right at the Stanley pub, and you'll find the world famous £1 burger. Let's go and go down Dale Street. So I'm told if you hit this place at the wrong time, you've got a massive queue, but it's worth it from what I'm told. So I'm just going to bob down Dale Street now.
There you go, here.
How do?
Hello.
Have a hamburger and a cheeseburger, please.
Would you like onions?
Please.
Are you one of these YouTube type people?
I am.
Are you an important YouTuber?
I'd like to think so.
Oh, that's all right then. So you're one of the big boys, are you? See, I'm only asking that to determine whether I'm going to be nice to you or not. Any sauce, fella?
Can I have ketchup on the cheeseburger and chilli on the plain, please?
Is that a hot chilli?
Yeah, please. Gotta give it a go.
Can you take it, can you? The proper chilli.
I'll soon find out. If you hear me screaming in about 2 minutes, no.
Yeah. Right, that's £2.50 please, young man.
Thank you, sir.
Wonderful, that's a five. I'll just get you changed in 1 second. What's your channel called then?
Upside Down Head Travels.
I've heard of that. So you must be important, I've heard of that.
We're getting there.
So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, don't forget to subscribe, and most importantly, hit that notification bell wherever we put it, yeah, because it'll tell you what's coming up next, and there's your change.
Thank you very much.
There's your cheeseburger. Look at that cheeseburger there. Red sauce for the young man there. So are these both for you?
They are.
They are. Are you wasting away, are you? I can see
No,
that.
no.
The guy's practically anorexic. If he turns sideways, he'll disappear. I can't see him. And the next one is hot chili sauce. Right, there you go, young man. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. I'm going to enjoy those.
See you
Thank you.
later.
Cheers, Chris.
Right, please, run in. Burger onions, would you like sauce? Red sauce, yeah.
So, time to go and give them a go. Right, it's cool. Find myself a nice seat. Try not to get attacked by the seagulls. And let's see what the £1 burgers are all about. So, I've got myself a plain hamburger. And I've got myself a cheeseburger. So, that cheeseburger was £1.50. The burger was £1. Let's see if I can eat these without actually getting attacked. So looks pretty good. So cheeseburger with the ketchup. Seagull's watching out. Yeah, there it comes. Yeah, that's one decent burger. So I sat here, Blackpool Promenade, enjoying a £1.50, can you believe that? A £1.50 cheeseburger with onions and ketchup. So what a stunning place to sit down, chill, grab a burger. So the cheeseburger went down pretty quick. So £1.50, cheeseburger, onions, ketchup, can't knock it. Still being watched by the seagulls. So I've now gone for the actual £1 burger with, as Chris said, hot chili sauce. If you hear me screaming in a minute, he's right, it's hot, hot. There goes nothing. Wow, he's not wrong. My mouth's on fire. That's hot. I don't think the seagulls are going to be too keen on it. I'm not going to find out. I ain't going to share it. I'm going to love this one. I'm going to enjoy this one. So bye bye seagulls. Have a wander down the promenade now, and hopefully keep the seagulls at bay. Have a wander down towards the tower. So don't forget, guys, if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And definitely shit, oh, fuck off. Fuck off. Yeah, I had to bail. Got attacked. Wow. Yeah, point to self and all the viewers, watch out for the seagulls. I'm pretty sure they enjoyed the £1 burger. I didn't quite manage the end of it. But it was that nice, I'm actually going to go and get myself another one. So yeah, the famous £1 burger, from what I got the chance to eat, was absolutely amazing. Well worth the £1 and £1.50. So if you come into Blackpool, you're on a bit of a budget, you can't not stop at the world famous £1 burger bar. So Central Pier, 2 short streets back on Dale Street. So pretty much at the back of the Fun Palace and Webster's Coffee House. Or if you bob down Chapel Street, it's 2 streets on your right. Get yourself down, try the burger. I'm gonna have to go for another one. And don't forget to, as we were saying, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button and the little bell for notifications. And I'll see you all soon. Right guys, I couldn't let the seagulls win. So it wasn't just a case of a quick video, bite a few bites of the £1 burgers and say loads of good stuff. So I've gone back, picked up another burger, this time just a plain burger, or plain burger no cheese. Again with a chilli sauce, this time with a bit of garlic mayo. Had a tiny drive away from the prom, that's because I got attacked by hordes of seagulls. I was pretty much there, a buffet for them. I put 2 burgers down by the side of me, next thing surrounded by seagulls. Wasn't going to let them win. I mean, I had to throw the burgers and duck and cover. So, but no, I've gone back to £1 burger bar, picked up the another burger, and I'm going to give this one a go. Seagulls not having this one, definitely not. So I'm going to eat this one. So chilli sauce and garlic mayo, and I'll let you know what I think. And yeah, they're back. Oh,